Yo people, it's your boy X12Elentless5 and today I'm going to be doing another vlog. Now this vlog is going to include me collecting my car. I'm not collecting it today, but I'll put a couple of videos and me collecting it. I kind of got too excited on the day, so I didn't really film that much. So if you guys didn't know, I sold the CLA. I didn't really do a video on that. I told you in my last vlog that I was going to sell the car and it was going up for sale. No, we ain't car shopping, but I didn't really tell you guys that I sold it. But it's definitely been all over my Instagram, so if you don't follow me on Instagram, go check me out, X12Elentless5. I'll leave my name down below. But yeah, let's go and roll the footage of me collecting the car, and then after we will see what happens. Sweet. I'm currently in a Jaguar, but yeah, XF, pretty cool car. There's a nice little dealership over here. It's a nice Porsche. It's actually not that nice. What have they got here? I think they've got an RS Ford, a Focus RS. There's a Range. There's nothing. There's nothing. There's a bus. Wow, amazing. So yeah, we're currently driving up to Prestige Cars Kent. We're going to pick up the car. I'll show you a couple cars, well, a few of the cars that are up there. Yeah, Ferraris and all sorts of cars like that. So that'll be fun. Then picking up the car, it'll probably get a little bit too dark to actually film with the car, but I'll show you around it when it's still light. And then I'll continue with the vlog tomorrow, which will probably still be in this video. So let's go over to Prestige Cars Kent and let's go pick up the car. Nice Mustang, bright yellow. Any more? Any more? Not sure. Well, there's a red one right in the back. I don't know if you guys saw that. So we are currently driving into Prestige Cars Kent, and I'm a little bit nervous about this car because I haven't driven something this powerful on the road before. Been in a lot of nice cars on the road, but never driven something like this, and especially manual as well. I'm a little bit nervous. Been driving a Nissan Micra manual just to get the hang of it. Here we are. We got a nice few cars here. Let's see what we got. Got a TTRS. We got a nice M6. Real nice cars here. I've spotted my new car. Some mad cars here. So I probably won't film too much today, but we are currently in the waiting room and I will film my car when I go and collect it, so a little bit nervous. Car, BMW M4. Look at that. Chrome is definitely gonna go. Carbon roof. Manual. So continuing on with the video I previously filmed, basically I was in a bit of rush, couldn't really film too much, so 4 weeks later, I think maybe 4 or 3, not too sure. But yeah, I am continuing with the video. What's happened between then collecting the car and now? I broke the clutch, so I didn't have the car for a week, so that kind of made this video delay. And then I literally found a good deal of getting the car wrapped, awesome quality, and decided to go and get my car wrapped. So my car's literally been wrapped the whole of this week, and I'm going to go and collect it today. So we're going to go and head over to the wrapping company. I'll show you a few, well, I'll tell you more about them when we get there. But yeah, and then also after we picked up the BMW, I think we're going to go over to Romans International and check out the cars they have there, because they are pretty special. That's all I'm going to say, but it should be a surprise for the end of the vlog. But yeah, I'm really excited for today, so let's go and head over. I'm going to show you the car I'm whipping at the moment. Don't judge, it is an awesome car. But yeah, this car has 1,000 brake horsepower. It is amazing. So I'm going to go and show you that car. We're going to go and pick up a few of my mates, drop the car off, and then get in another car, pick up my car, and go to a car dealership. So it's going to be sick, and yeah, people, so I'll see you then. So here we have the key. Yes. Yes. Microlife. Rap. Look at the interior on this. Look at that. Let's see if I can zoom out. Nah. Manual. Look at that. A radio that doesn't even work. You know, it's manual. Like Windows. Yeah, boy, this car is hard. Let's do a start up on this car. Let's see. Let's do a start up. Oh, that's bare sick. New whip. Rap. What are you saying, Adam?
In video?
Yeah, boy. What do you think of this one? Better than the Micro?
The AMG.
That is hard. We're in the AMG, yes. So we are currently driving over to the car wrapping company. We're going to go and pick up my car, have a look at the wrap. I'm really excited. It's going to look awesome. Jeez. Color is popping. The M3 in that.
The inside. You know, you got it.
Unit's looking hard. Cars together look hard, man. Sound of that is mad. M3 in that. Jesus. Madness. sick in the daylight. Sun shining on it. It's hard, man. So parked up.
And my car's there. The car's there, mate. The car's there.
Oh, swear.
There you go.
Nice, nice, nice. So the M4 is parked up. We're going to a diner at the moment. American diner. Get some food and then we'll head over to Roman. So it's going to be lit.
Jealousy.
Things.
You like the salt?
Margarita and that. Do you like it?
Be a dick though.
Yeah?
I like it.
Oh, you're on that thing.
It's in the box, the brown one. What about the chicken?
Oh, thank you, thank you.
No worries.
That?
You asked for chicken, didn't you?
It's here.
Oh,
Is that barbecue or brown?
oh.
Is that barbecue or brown? I think that's barbecue.
So I'm here with George. I'm going to take him out for in the M4. It's going to be epic. Going to get some nice shots. But look at it, man. It's epic. So George is currently taking some photos of the car. We've gone to some nice country roads. Got the M4 here. Looks awesome. Can't get over the wrap. Show you a little bit. So M4 badge has gone gloss black. Obviously the car's gone satin black. You've got a bit of gloss black here. And the lights as well. A little bit tinted. Not so much like my CLA, but just looks outstanding, especially with the sun. Looks awesome. So we're on our way back now from collecting my car. Obviously we ate, got some shoots and that, but back in the M4. And yeah, I don't think we're gonna go to Romans because it's probably gonna be a little bit too late, but today's been cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, like and share. We're gonna bring a lot of more content with this, and hopefully we can go to Romans soon and check out the Chiron and the Veyron. But apart from that, people, I'll see you in a bit.